Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm super excited to walk you through the process of downloading Predictor Aviator in less than 5 minutes. It's fast, simple, and trust me, you'll have it up and running before you know it. As you can see, I already have it installed on my iPhone, and it's working flawlessly, no issues whatsoever. What I love most about Predictor Aviator is not only how well it functions, but also how incredibly easy the installation process is. You don't need to worry about doing anything risky like jailbreaking your phone or messing with complicated settings. The whole process is straightforward, safe, and completely beginner-friendly. All you need to do is stick with me, follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll have Predictor Aviator downloaded and working perfectly on your device too. Whether you've been wanting this app for a while or you're just hearing about it, this is the easiest and quickest way to get it. So, if you're ready to get started, grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's dive into the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called lucidplugin.com. Lucid Plugin is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Predictor Aviator and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.